team at Propagate, and I wanted to show you very quickly some simple pallet compost bins. So pallet bins are very easy to make. All you need is some pallets. They've decided to use the wall as the kind of back side of these ones, so they've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pallets for a 3-bay compost bin, and they've sunk them into the ground just a little bit, maybe like 10 centimeters, just to get them propped up, and they've kind of used mostly the wall just to hold them in place. You can do that, or you could make a couple struts to put across the back. The pallets that are on the front, this one's tied on because this bin's full, so it's keeping the compost in there. This one here is just sunk into the ground a little bit, but it's also loose. It kind of is useful to keep the front ones like not nailed, so that when you're ready to take the compost out, you can get your wheelbarrow right up in front. But yeah, these are just tied with string, and really that's all there is to it. Just get your pallets, tip them up on their sides, secure them somehow, but they don't have to be super tight, and yeah, you're away. You've got your compost bin. I'm going to take you up to show you another single bay compost bin made of pallets as well. Here we are at just a single bay pallet bin, and it's very simple. Just 4 pallets in a square on their side. These are tied with cable ties and just an old plastic rope, and it's got two posts in at the front as well, for a little bit of extra support. But yeah, that's all you really need to make your compost bins. Good luck, and remember to like and subscribe Propagate Scotland on Facebook, YouTube and Instagram, and we'll see you again soon.